Ready to decorate your own trendy tote bag? It's just like Mom's but made your way. Gather your supplies and let's turn this rubber tote into something totally unique. Let's start by adding some sparkle. Choose a sticker stencil and place it anywhere on your bag. Get your gold or silver marker and shake them really well before you color. Hold the stencil in place and carefully color inside the shape. When you're done, gently peel the stencil off. You can reuse each stencil a few times, so feel free to try different designs around your bag. Once your design is dry, it's time to add even more personality with charms and accessories. Your kit comes with lots of fun charms, and there are a few different ways to use them. Place a glue dot onto the large, flat side of a peg. Press your charm onto the glue dot, then snap the small side of the peg into one of the bag holes. Want your charms to spin? Add a rotating base between two glue dots, then press your charm on top. Snap it into a bag hole and watch it spin when you move your bag. To add the carabiner, snap the carabiner peg into a bag hole, then clip the carabiner onto the peg. Use it to hang keys, keychains, or any little trinkets. Pipe cleaners are perfect for twisting, bending, and shaping into fun decorations. First, let's make a heart pipe cleaner charm. You'll need one pipe cleaner. Pick any color you like. Take one end of the pipe cleaner and roll it tightly onto itself to make a spiral. Pinch the bottom of the spiral to form a point. This will be the bottom of the heart. Then press your fingernail into the top center of the spiral to make the dip in the heart. Bend and pinch the sides until your heart looks even. Stick a glue dot on the large, flat side of a peg. Press the back of the spiral onto the glue dot, then snap the peg into a bag hole. Next, let's make a flower pipe cleaner charm. You'll need one green pipe cleaner for the stem and 3 colorful pipe cleaners for the petals. Fold all 4 pipe cleaners in half and pinch the bend so they stay folded. Hold the colorful ones together with the ends pointing up. Twist the green pipe cleaner around the center to hold them in place. Point one end of the pipe cleaner down for the stem. Take one colorful piece and roll the tip into a spiral. Keep rolling until it looks like a petal. Repeat for the other 2 colorful pieces. Adjust the petals so they overlap or bunch together. Shape them however you like your flower to look. Wrap the other side of the green pipe cleaner around the stem just under the petals. Shape it into a cone so the flower looks neat. Stick a glue dot onto the large, flat side of a peg. Press the back of the flower onto the glue dot, then snap the peg into a bag hole. And finally, let's make a colorful butterfly charm. You'll need 3 pipe cleaners, 2 for the wings and 1 for the body. Take 2 different colored pipe cleaners and twist them together at the center so they cross in the middle to form an X. You'll end up with 4 ends. With each end, roll it slowly toward the center to create a spiral wing. You'll end up with 4 spiral wings joined in the middle. You can pinch the tips if you want pointed wings or leave them rounded. It's up to you. Take 1 more pipe cleaner and wrap it tightly around the center of the wings to hold everything together. Leave the 2 ends sticking out at the top. Twist both ends to form a V shape and curl them into little spirals to form the antennae. Stick a glue dot on the large, flat side of a peg. Press the back of the butterfly's body onto the glue dot, then snap the small side of the peg into a bag hole. These are just ideas to spark your creativity. Feel free to mix things up and create a bag charm that's totally your own. Next, personalize your tote bag using beads. Here's how. Cut a piece of bead string and tie one end around a peg. This helps keep the beads from sliding off. Thread alphabet and colorful beads in any order you like. When you're done, tie the other end to another peg and snap it onto your bag. Spell your name, a favorite word, or create your own colorful pattern. And just like that, your tote bag is ready to go. Take your DIY tote bag to the pool, the beach, on play dates, or anywhere you want to show off your style. There's no right or wrong way to decorate. Every bag is one of a kind, just like you. If you love this tropical fun tote bag, you'll love the Unicorn Princess tote bag too. Want even more fun? Scan the QR code to join our VIP list. Get free printables, discounts, and creative surprises from your friends at Purple Ladybug, bringing you creativity through crafting.